Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing wonderful in your life. This is your general love reading for November 2020. Okay, I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating with you, Aquarius. This is your general love reading for Sunshine, Moonshine, and Venus sign Aquarius. Okay, so thank you so much for giving lots of love to my channel and for commenting beautiful, wonderful messages, comments on my videos on my channel. I really appreciate your efforts, Aquarius. Thank you so much. I love that comments. If you whatever comments you are commenting, I love those comments. So thank you so much for commenting beautiful messages and for giving lots of love to my channel. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me. Okay, so let's start your general love reading for November 2020. Please guide God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out. Seven of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Swords and Ace of Swords. You are being guarding yourself. You are being defensive, Aquarius, with the Seven of Swords. You are unable to make a decision. You are juggling between two things. Two of Pentacle, but someone is rushing towards you from the past. Six of Cups, and you are getting your clarity. Okay, Ace of Swords is there. Let me see any other message. Not going to take it because it was just fall out, and I don't read reversals, Aquarius. That's what I'm see. High Priestess, you're using your intuitions, taking the energy of High Priestess. Any other message? Queen of Wands, any other message? Five of Pentacle and King of Pentacle. Any other message? Ten of Wands. Any other message? You're deciding between two situations, making a decision. Any other message? Any other message, Aquarius? Lovers. Okay, any other message which I need to deliver? Knight of Pentacle. It's coming your way at a slow pace, but it's coming. Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Please help me out. Guide, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy. Please help me out to give the messages. And devil is there. You are waiting for your ships to come, and you are holding back from someone. You are not accepting a cup from this devil. Okay. Why there is always devil energy around you, Aquarius? From last 2-3 readings, I'm getting a devil around you. Some of you may be dealing with the Capricorn. Yeah, Capricorn. I don't mention signs because I don't believe that there is some signs here. But any other message from which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Too many cards. Any other message which I need to deliver? Seven of Cups. Any other message? Knight of Cup, and there is Nine of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I am having Aquarius. Six of Swords. Any other message? Wow. Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having World card. You are completing a cycle, Aquarius. A karmic cycle is completing on. Now let's start your reading. So Aquarius, you are getting very defensive right now. You're guarding yourself. defenses are up right now, and you are juggling between two situations, or you are trying so hard to balance something. Two of Pentacle is there. You're trying to balance two things, or two people, or two relationship. You are juggling to take your balance. Okay, these Two of Pentacles also resembles balance, so you're trying so hard to get back your balance. Okay, you're trying so hard. Someone is rushing towards you. Knight of Swords is there, air energy is there. Okay, someone is rushing towards you from the past. The person is from your past. Six of Cups is the card from the person from the past, and it is the card of soulmate. So someone is coming towards you, rushing towards you to give you a clarity, and you are getting your clarity. Can you see these cards? So someone is rushing towards you. Okay, someone is rushing towards you, and they are giving you a clarity. Ace of Swords, they are giving you a clarity. You are using your high, you are taking the energy of High Priestess. Okay, you are using your, because Aquarius, you are already, I always told you that you are guided by intuition. So you are using your intuitions, and you're taking the energy of Queen of Wands. Okay, you are very passionate, loving person. So you are taking the energy of High Priestess. You are guided by intuitions, and you are moving ahead with intuitions and all. And some of you are leaving a situation or a person behind with the Five of Pentacles, and there is King of Pentacles. So maybe you are leaving behind this King of Pentacles. You are moving for in a forward direction. You are leaving this situation, this person behind. Okay, you are leaving this situation behind, this person behind, this King of Pentacles, because they were giving you lots of burdens. Okay, they were giving you lots of burdens. Ten of Wands is the ending of, there is no 11. Okay, ending of tarot. So there were enough of burdens which this King of Pentacle were giving to you, and you are leaving them behind. Okay, you are leaving this person behind, and you're moving in a forward direction, and you are deciding something, Aquarius, in your love life. Lovers is there. Two of Wands and Lovers. You're deciding between two. Can you see? You are at the crossroads. You are taking a decision, and in your love life maybe, and Lovers is there. So, and then there is a Knight of Pentacles. So maybe it's coming in, you are taking your time, you are moving in a slow pace. Okay, but you are taking a decision. You are at your crossroads in your life, and you're taking a decision. You're waiting your ships to come, but there was some devil energy around you. Okay, and you did not accept that cup. Can you see? There was a devil energy around you, but they were offering you some cup with this Four of Cups, but you did not accept that cup from this devil. Okay, maybe some of you were having lots of option in your life, or this devil was having lots of option in their life. Okay, so they were offering you the cup. Okay, they were offering you the cup, but you were not ready to accept that cup, because they were some having lots of option in life, or you were having lots of options in your life. And there is a Knight of Cup, which is your wish fulfillment, and who is giving you Ace of Cups. Okay, who's giving you wish fulfillment. There are two energies in your reading, Aquarius. Okay, Knight of Cups is there, a new romantic beginning in your life, and that's your wish fulfillment. Okay, that's your wish fulfillment card. This is Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment, and they are giving you Ace of Cups, cup full of emotions. Emotional fulfillment is there from this person. So there are two energy around you. One is Knight of Cups, and one is the devil. Okay, there is King of Pentacles. So you are leaving them behind, Aquarius. You're leaving that person behind, leaving that situation behind, because they were giving you lots of, can you see, burdens and all. So you are deciding, you are at the crossroads to make a judgment, to decide in your love life. You're deciding it. Maybe some of you were waiting for this person to come towards you. Can you see? Three of Wands and devil is there. So maybe they were waiting you to come towards them, but You are not ready to accept the cup from them. You are rejecting them. You are not accepting their cup. Four of Cups is there. You're not accepting the cup from them. May you are having lots of option, the Seven of Cups, or they are having lots of options in their life. Some of you, either you or your person is having lots of option in life, in love. Okay, so there is a person, Knight of Cups. This is a romantic new love towards you who is entering in your life, and that this person is your wish fulfillment. Okay, this is your wish fulfillment, Nine of Cups, who will give you emotional fulfillment. This is Ace of Cups is there. Ace of Cups and Ace of Swords both are there. So yeah, this was your reading, Aquarius. In the extended, I'm going to explain these cards in a deeper way. Okay, I'm going to clarify these cards in the extended reading. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. And till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.